Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's Q&A video is to answer this question. Is it true that if I leave the United States, I can't come back for 10 years? So it depends. In immigration, there's something called the 3-year bar and the 10-year bar, and it applies to people who overstay their status or are in the United States without authorization. So for example, if you come to the United States with a visitor's visa, and then you overstay your visa by 6 months or more, if ever you leave the United States, you cannot come back for 3 years. Similarly, if you overstay your visa by 1 year or more, when you leave the United States, you cannot come back for 10 years. This is pretty serious for people who maybe want to eventually get a green card. If you are in the United States, you can adjust your status. However, depending on who your petitioning relative is, you might need to go through consular processing, which means that you need to leave the United States to get your green card. And if you leave the United States to get your green card, you will trigger the 3 or 10-year bar and you will need a waiver. So if this is you, or if you think that maybe you might run into any of these issues, definitely give me a call. Waivers can be tricky. If you'd like to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you, visit brazenlegal.com. Thanks for watching.